Have you ever seen somebody's resume or LinkedIn profile and it says data-driven, whatever, data-driven manager, data-driven marketer? Well, I want you to think about that in terms of growth hacking, because one of the things that is so amazing about growth hacking is that you don't have to know everything. The reason is because one of the coolest parts of growth hacking is that you're launching experiments, and the experiments are producing data. And then your strategies are being learned based on the data, which means that you don't have to present yourself as, oh, I know everything, because you don't know everything, especially in the world of innovation or, marketing, right? Instead, you're saying, I don't know everything, but I know how to get anything, right? That's pretty cool, right? And so that's why I think sometimes I wonder, if you're data-driven, how are you getting this data, right? Because growth hackers are the people who know how to get the data. And you now, as a growth hacker and as somebody who launches experiments, are now truly one of these true data-driven people who's actually more powerful than people who think that they already know everything, right? Okay, so here's some concepts that you're going to need going forward in this section. Statistical significance is the probability that the result of a given experiment or study could have occurred purely by chance. Now, a rule of thumb for me, and Maya has a little bit of a different one, is that you need 1,200 observations to find, or to at least reliably assume that something is statistically significant, okay? And you're going to learn more about that in the coming modules. Now, what is a key performance indicator, or a KPI? So this is a measurable value that signifies the degree to which an objective is being achieved. Now, in growth hacking, the most important KPI that you should be thinking about and deploying as the manager of a growth hacking operation is your North Star metric, which is the metric that contributes most to your fundamental growth equation. It makes everything so much easier, I promise, if over time you start to develop what you think is a really good North Star metric to focus on. I'll give you an example that you can maybe relate to. At Easel here, our North Star metric is the number of paid participants in our courses, because we think that's what most directly contributes to our growth, okay? So what is a tactic? A tactic is a method that is used to achieve what you want in a particular situation. What is a campaign? A campaign is a coordinated series of events carried out over a period of time in order to achieve something. So in growth hacking, you might have a campaign to grow a part of your business, and your experiments are all tactics. And that's going to help you align what you're doing with growth hacking with what more traditional marketing, like if you have a marketing manager or somebody that you're reporting to, or somebody who understands traditional marketing, that's kind of how growth hacking and marketing line up. So you're going to have some animated modules coming up. You're going to learn how to run a growth team, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. And then we're going to connect this to growth management, the buying center, and leading through tactics. So let's dive right in.